Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
O Menteri Rangba Kajala Konrad ke Sangma, haka arpsan terik muntau bena risau arja karpra, rengkat ke jing sakhilang, uklori lekai kriket barem jongkari India, Usaurav Ganguly. Ulabo yo mau Nongrim bantai no ya ke Jaka Kilanmet ke Bapaka, ne ke indoor practice kam gymnasium, Hamadan Pulau Shillong, nak benta ki Nongïalehkai kriket. Kom bakalong hadu menta, kirang bat kita lekai kriket, kiju pelong ya ke jing Kilanmet, Hamadan namar ke jing Bampat dan Satya ya ke Jaka Kilanmet ke Babiang. Bat kene kelebo jing ya sibonya ki kamtam ha ke Porlior bejur slap, bat andala dom ke Sun Beneng. Ya kene ke Jaka Kilanmet labai pisah da ke Board of Control for Cricket in India. Hak jinglot ke bahasan kror lai pesan lak tengka. Nakaliang Konrad ke Sangma, hak jo kopor ubolong ru presiden jang ke Meghalaya Cricket Association. Habakran hak ni ke jelang lapan pa ba ke jela ke angnut ban kentiau ya ke Nongïalehkai cricket hak ni ke jela. Ba ulang ba ke sarkar ke kloi ban trelang rekan-rekan bat ke Meghalaya Cricket Association ban pet ik jingdon kam jo kisamla. Di ba angnut ban kieu hak ke Nongïalehkai cricket. Ke bolong ke wei ni ke Nongïalehkai hak ni kisingi bementa ke bapau ha hak ri India hi borok ke wei.
From this season, they have been exposed to the big boys, as they say, of cricket. Yes, you were the associate members, you played cricket here and there, but when you get introduced to the Ranji Trophy, the Vijay Hazare Trophy, you get introduced to the big boys and the big cricket, which all keep talking about. You know, remember East, nobody expected MS Dhoni from Ranchi to be captain of India for nearly 300 games. So, when all of you here on the left pick up the cricket bat from now on and play for different levels, I wish you all the very best. I wish all the members of the Northeast, all the members of Meghalaya Cricket Association and members of the BCCI who supported Northeast states to play cricket. I thank all of them personally because without support of everyone, this is not possible. I know there will be issues down the road, there will be hard feelings down the road, you will like something, you won't like something, but at the end of the day, it's the 22 yards and this green field which matters. So wish you all the best in your journey. Wish you all the best in your journey to succeed. And most importantly, remember, when you play from Meghalaya, when you play from Arunachal, when you play from Assam, when you play from Bihar, Ranchi, Bengal, you actually make your state very, very proud. So you have a lot of responsibility on your shoulders because as administrators, because I'm an administrator now and I've seen both sides of the coin. As an administrator, you provide the facilities, but it's you who actually bear the flag of all the states you play for. So all my good wishes. It's a lovely part of the country. It's slowly starting to get colder. It's not as cold as in Kolkata. At the moment, but when I landed here, I realized that I needed a sweater. So all of you, all my good wishes, and most importantly, my humble request to the Honorable Chief Minister that without your support for the next 5 years, this state, cricket in this part of the world will not go forward. So hopefully they will get all your support in taking their future of these wonderful young kids on the left forward. Thank you so much.
So this has been conceived a long time back, and it's really very heartening to see that finally we are laying the foundation stone, and it's a great honor, I must say, that today we have the who's who of cricket world in the country today who are here with us. BCCI secretary is here with us, our former captain of the Indian cricket team is here with us, and so many galaxy of cricket administrators who are here with us. So when I speak today, I really am wearing 3 hats, and the first one would be as the president of the Cricket Association in Meghalaya. I don't want to say much because Mr. Naba Bhattacharya has really spoken a lot from his heart about how the Meghalaya Cricket Association has reached from where it was to where it is now. And he's also spoken about the plans that we have for the future and the hopes and aspirations of not just these young cricketers who are here in front of us, but the entire cricket fraternity of Meghalaya state and of the Northeast as a whole. So therefore it has been a struggle. We have faced difficult times, but I think it is the commitment of the team that has really taken us forward. And I would like to take this opportunity to appreciate the efforts that were given by every single office bearer, by every single person who helped in ensuring that the work continued and the commitment was there. And today we are seeing a really big milestone being achieved today in terms of the foundation stone being laid. So as the president of the Meghalaya Cricket Association, I would once again thank the BCCI for having considered to give this not just in Meghalaya but in entire Northeast, and would also like to thank Mr. Saurabh Ganguly and our secretary Mr. Amitabh Chaudhary for coming here to lay the foundation stone for this really important indoor practice facility. Number two, the second hat that I'm wearing is that of a cricket fan. So I must say at a personal note that I'm truly excited that Mr. Saurabh Ganguly, who was a former captain of the Indian cricket team, is here. Dada, we have seen you as, I shouldn't say a child, but I was quite old that time. But as young, cricket fans, watching you on TV, and today having you here to lay the foundation for this indoor stadium, indoor practice facility, I tell you, it's really a dream come true. And as a cricket fan, I must say I am very excited and very thankful to you for being here. And I'm sure that it's not just me, but every single cricketer out here, especially the young ones out there, both girls and boys, they will be motivated by your presence out here. And that is really the biggest thing, and I must thank you for that. The third hat, of course, I wear is as the Chief Minister of the state. And yes, I think what Mr. Saurabh Ganguly has mentioned about the future of cricket and about the entire aspect of really taking it to the new level is something that has been very close to my heart. Mr. Nabha Bhattacharya has given a very detailed background of how things have moved. I don't want to go into details of that. And but I would like to say that today has been especially a great day for sports in our state in Meghalaya. Just before this program, we had a program of the Social Justice Ministry, where the Minister for Social Justice, Mr. Thawarchand Gehlot, had come. And there was a program to distribute aids to differently abled children and old age people. And during that program, Mr. Thawarchand Gehlot announced that Government of India will be setting up state-of-the-art facility, one of a kind, that means 5 of them in the whole country, in different parts of the country, a sports facility for the disabled, which will have all kinds of different facilities for disabled, sports people, especially able sports people, to be able to perform and really, enjoy the games. And that facility, one of them will be in Shillong in Meghalaya. And that's an investment of close to 300 crores that will be put in by Government of India. And we were very thankful to them. And this happened just today, just in the morning. And now we are here again to lay the foundation stone for this indoor stadium, for indoor practice facility for cricket. So I think it's a great day for every sports person in our state. 2 really great facilities have been announced today, and one we have laid the foundation stone. So it's really an honor, and once again I thank BCCI for having taken the initiative to do this. So therefore I can assure you that the state government's support will be there. Not just cricket, but all the games and sports is important for us. But here we are with cricket, so therefore Government of Meghalaya is very keen and very committed to ensure that the facilities for the cricket games must improve, and we are including the plan in the legacy plan for the national games. So therefore we will keep a place for the stadium in the village area, in the games village area, but the land can be organized, but we will need the support of the BCCI. And I think Amitabh Chaudhary ji यहाँ पे है. मेरी आपसे विनती है कि आप यहाँ पे आप आज आए. हमें बड़ी खुशी हुई कि आप आए और हमारे साथ इस प्रोग्राम में आपने भाग लिया. और मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि हमारे नेशनल गेम्स जो 2022 जो साल में होंगे, इस नेशनल गेम्स में हम लोग चाहते हैं कि क्रिकेट नेशनल गेम्स का भाग नहीं है, लेकिन इस नेशनल गेम्स का जो हमारा एक गेम्स विलेज बनेगा, इस गेम्स विलेज में हम लोग चाहते हैं कि यहाँ पे एक जगह क्रिकेट के लिए भी हो. तो इसके लिए हम चाहते हैं कि आगे आने वाले समय में हम लोग न सिर्फ हमारे टूर्नामेंट्स यहाँ पे हम होस्ट करें, लेकिन हम चाहते हैं कि रणजी ट्रॉफी यहाँ पे खेला जाए। हम लोग चाहते हैं कि यहाँ पे आईपीएल गेम्स यहाँ पे हो, और इसके लिए ये जो गेम्स विलेज में हम लोग बनाने जा रहे हैं आगे, इसमें हम लोग क्रिकेट के लिए भी और क्रिकेट स्टेडियम के लिए भी हम लोग जगह रखेंगे। लेकिन ये पूरे सपने को पूरा करने के लिए सिर्फ हमारी तरफ से नहीं, हमें आपका भी और बीसीसीआई के भी पूरा सपोर्ट चाहिए होगा।